Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Well, today we are going to learn an interesting topic in English grammar. Before we begin with the topic, I would like to ask you few questions. Children, tell me, who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. What am I doing now? Yes, I am teaching you all. Now, children, imagine this is your teacher. And what is she doing? Yes, she is teaching you. Just like me. How I'm teaching you now online. In the same way, here in this picture, the teacher is teaching the students. So the word teach. So the word teach is an action word. An action done by the teacher. Now children, tell me, when your teacher teaches you, what do? Yes, you listen to the teacher and you watch what the teacher is saying. So, listen and watch are both an action words. Watch, listen are the actions of the students or something that they do. Now children, tell me, when you get up early in the morning, what is the first thing that you do? Yes, you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. So children, the word brush here is an which is done by this children. So the word brush is an action word. Now children, tell me, what does your mother do in the kitchen? Yes, she cooks food for you. So, children, cooks is an action word. It is an action which is done by your mother. Now, children, tell me, when your mother is done with the cooking and when she serves you the food, what do? Yes, you become happy and you eat the food. So, children, the word eat here is an action word. Now, children, tell me, what the children do with the ball in this picture? Yes, they play. They are playing with the ball. So, the word play is also an action. Now tell me, children, what are these children doing? Yes, they are jumping. Have you jump in the school in the recess time? In the same way, children are very happy and so they are jumping. So children, the word jump here is an action word. So children, any action that you do are called action words or doing word. Any type of action done by a person, animal or a thing is called an action word or doing words. Action words are also called as doing words. So let us see what are doing words in a simple sentence. Doing words are actions that we do. Alright, children? Now, children, tell me, which action words or doing words did we learn in today's topic? Yes, just think for a while and tell me. We learned the different action words like teach. The teacher teaches in the class. Listen, watch. Who were listening and who were watching? The students were watching their teacher, what their teacher was saying. Brush. Who brushed the teeth? The child brushed the teeth after getting. You all brush your teeth after getting up early in the morning. Who cooks the food? Mother cooks the food. Who eat the food? You all eat the food. Who were playing? The children were playing with the ball. And who were jumping? 3 children were jumping. So children, the words like teach, listen, watch, brush, cooks, eat, play, jump, these all words are action words. They are also called as doing words. Children, the third word, that is watch. Here the watch means to see. Here watch means to see, not the watch which we put on our hand. Okay, watch means to see. To see is also an action word. So all these words are called as doing words. Yes, they are called as doing words. I hope you have learned very well about what are doing words. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you and be safe.